Looking out to Puffer Cove and Mears Bay, we explore the rarest reddish shoreline in Hong Kong. This is Shek Mun. Welcome back to episode 6 of Hike Your Hike. DJ is not here, but we have an audience with us today. Where are we going?
My name is Kin. We are going to the inner sanctuary of Mears Bay, where we're going to go over the mountains and to the other side to reach Mears Bay from Wugaotang. From Mears Bay area, the harbour, we can look across to see Double Haven and Crooked Island. And we're going to walk along the coast where the geographical feature is special because all the rocks and the beaches there are red in colour. Hence the name called Hung Shek Mun. So that's where we are going.
Sounds very interesting. I don't know if it's going to be hard or easy, but let's go.
Okay, let's go.
In this series of Shek Mun, we are hiking your hike. Over the past 5 years, we have covered more than 50 Hong Kong hikes, but there are lots more hidden gems that we need you to help us find. So if you know a great hike not on our map, please let us know with a comment down below. In the 6th episode of this series, we'll take a minibus from Tai Po Market Station to Wugaotang and start the hike along the Puffer Cove Reservoir Country Trail, heading up to Ma Tau Fung. It's a steep climb on a burning hot day, and Kin has a secret weapon to fight against Hong Kong's heat and humidity. Just the beginning, and Kin got this little gadget. What is this?
A walking stick.
No, I mean your fan.
And a fan to keep you cool, especially going uphill.
Okay, we're here now at Tet Ma Tau. So,
Yes.
Kin, can you tell us where are we actually going?
We started off from Wugaotang, which is about 3 kilometers from this peak. On the one side, on our right, is the Puffer Cove Reservoir. On the left is Mears Bay. Mears Bay, that side. To the shoreline on the mainland side is where our destination is.
Okay,
And
cool.
we're going to walk along this footpath. As you can see, it winds all the way over the mountain ranges, and somewhere beyond those mountains, we're going to turn left and go down to the seaside.
Cool. It's a hot day. The mountain range is in view, up and down, all the way to Mears Bay. It's a stunning hike with great views on both sides, Shenzhen on one side and over to Hong Kong on the other. We follow the ridge all the way up a steep slope to Mount Leland. About 500 meters ahead, you will find a warning signpost. Look for a hidden within the path on the opposite side of the sign. That's the route to Hung Shek Mun. Kin, you're bringing me to do some bushwhacking.
No, not much bushwhacking. It's a quick, clear, cut path.
That's not true. Don't listen to him. Can I just do one episode with no bushwhacking, please? Anyway, we followed a bushy and narrow path down to a mini dam. You will notice the red rocks on the trail as you get closer to the Hung Shek Mun village. So we are now at basically the highlight of this trail, Hung Shek Mun, right?
Correct.
Can you tell us more about this place?
This used to be a village, a fishing village. People live on sort of fish farming and fishing, but the village has been abandoned. As you can see, there are some houses there that's abandoned for ages, and what's left is a dam where they let the seawater in for fish farming as well as harvesting fish.
As you can see, all the stones here are in red, and that's why it's called Hung Shek Mun, which means red stone gate. The reddish shoreline was formed by the iron-rich elements in the rocks, and it's one of the most extraordinary landscapes in Hong Kong. After a short walk along the shoreline, we head back the same way we came in. From here, you can either choose the same way back to Wugaotang, or walk along the coastline towards San Ma Chong, then cut back into Wugaotang in a different direction like we did. Okay, that's the end of this episode. About 16-ish kilometers hike, and we were bushwhacking for the most of the time, but it has some really great view, right, Kin?
Yeah, the view is fantastic, and the Mears Bay, the inner sanctuary of Mears Bay is beautiful. The water is crystal clear, and it's been a lovely day.
Yeah, a great hike today. And also, big shout out to Kylas. Thank you for our sponsor. We love your stuff. And also, don't forget to like our show, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like our Facebook page. And we will see you next time. My name is George.
And my name is Ken.
And this is John
John
and
and
Fern.
Fern.